Welcome to Tips and Tricks with Invoice Processing. My name's Jason Howard, and I'm going to take you through here today inside My Invoices, looking at the errors that you would receive when invoices come in to the unclaimed queue. Here we can see all these various invoices that have been unclaimed, and we can see some of the exceptions and the errors that have come up. If we want to, we can go and have a look at one in a preview, and we can see this is a 3G invoice. We go to the holds, and we can see this one hasn't got a matching supplier against the business, or it's got a missing invoice date. But we can also go and see a full overview of the whole system in the management dashboard here. This shows us all invoices in progress, unclaimed, claimed, and info requested. We can also search across the whole box, looking at task type, date range, invoice number, business and supplier, for example. Join us again for more tips and tricks on invoice processing.